In this video, we'll show how to change the design of the site button's shape, color, or font. To change the design of a button, first select the button type. Use the primary type for the major buttons on the website, for instance, Contact Us, Buy, etc. For other buttons, like See More, select the secondary button type. For minor buttons, you can just choose to display a link. To view more button options, click on Alternative Style. Now you can choose the button size, depending on its role on the website. To help you maintain design consistency, we're offering the ready-made sizes, small, medium, large. All in all, we recommend displaying the button with the same meaning or action, same way across the website. Now, if you'd like to see more options here, navigate to the global button settings. Here's where you can choose the button shape. Click to edit it further. Primary and secondary buttons can be edited separately. This is where you can select the fill, text, and border color. To see how this will look on light and dark background, switch between the options here. The alternative button style contains the same settings. Now you can change the font family and letter spacing. Once you are done with the global button settings, go back to each separate button. You'll see that the available settings here have changed. Choose one that suits you best.